Different video today. I'll show you how to make a very nice deer feed to lure doe or buck, doesn't matter. uh, Young adults, everybody comes running actually for this. So you don't have to use store-bought nut mix or corn mix, although I'll be showing using that. You can use just regular corn and almond, cashew, all these nuts you can mix by separately mix. But the main ingredient is this thing, molasses. Smells very good. They love it. It has a little bit of a smell of wine because it's kind of ferments, so alcoholic smell, and sweet. It's made out of sugar cane. It's liquid. A lot of people use peanut butter mix. I tried peanut butter, didn't work as good as well. This thing works excellent. At least there's a lot of deers here anyway, and this worked fantastic. They brought this morning I saw like four different buck trails around this feed. So take some mix, put it in a bowl. I already used this bowl, that's why it's, there's some molasses. Now I'll give you a trick, one or two tricks I'll show. So you can just use the corn, or you can use a separately bought feed like this. Not a problem. This is not the main point. The main thing is to use proper amount of molasses. If you use a lot of molasses, the smell is good, but they get scared. So as once mixed, this thing, not to put too much of it. So use a scoop like this. It's kind of sticky. Of course, it'll be a little bit messy. Not a lot, not a lot. I'll put another scoop because this is very little amount. And then gonna mix it. Now better not to mix it with hand. Although I put it with my hand, the smell from the hand goes in the feed. That's not good. So try not to touch the grain. The way I did is not the ideal, that I touch with my fingers. So I didn't add any more molasses, just one scoop, that scoop. Just kept mixing it properly. So it's very sticky, so it's gonna mix well. Now, the trick is not to put too much molasses. Once it's too much, for some reason, they become suspicious. So as when you give the feed, do not put too much feed at the beginning. Just put a little bit here and there, scoop by scoop, make a trail, bring it to near your tree stand or the spot, bring them there and put a little more there. Once they start coming and start eating, usually it takes a few days before they start eating, maybe, and because they are suspicious, it's their land. They know it was not there yesterday, and they will ask the question, how did it come here? So they'll be very careful initially. So once they start eating and get used to it, you can add more and more of this, put more feed, and they will be hooked onto this molasses mix. So I'll throw. This is kind of ready now. It's gonna make one or two spots. This is not much, but we'll cover one or two spots, and then I'll see if deer comes. Where can you buy molasses from? Even Walmart sells it. Any food store sells it, usually for human consumption. But a feed store near your place, any feed store like for cattle or poultry, they sell molasses like in pills like this. This is a lot cheaper. Of course, this is not for human consumption ready yet, so it's kind of bitter. Do not recommend that humans eat this. It needs more purification. Molasses is very healthy anyway. So I'll go and throw it now in the field.